lot of people criticize this thing, but I'm still going to say it. It is well molded, it is well served, well plated. Which one would they choose? We didn't go for the ordinary one. Do not allow anybody to look you down and tell you that you are overdoing it. Why do you think plating a food means you are doing sharare? It means that you are doing too much. I don't understand. Wow, you will go to a 5-star restaurant. We've just been hypocritical here. We criticize things that on a normal day we love them. We love to do it. We love a good food presentation. Nothing as overdoing it. Stop the shading of when you do this. Why do you go to a 5-star restaurant? Are you paid a huge amount of money just to have that well-plated, presented food? To be realistic, I know that this is not something that you can be doing all the time, but the little time you will do it right. I know you can't be plating food all the time. Come back from work and jump into the kitchen and quickly prepare something. You serve it in the usual way. I'm not criticizing that. But once in a while, what happens to when you are full of energy and you're not so hungry when you start cooking and you have that energy and you want to present the food to your household? Why not plate it? Once in a while, plate it for them. I'm sure when you do that, plating that food for them once in a while and you present that food to them, they'll be like, don't do this. Like, they'll feel that vibe of, oh my god, this person knows what he or she is doing. Okay, so once in a while, shock them. If you don't shock them, who else will? You're your chef, you're your cook, you're your everything. So stop criticizing. But eventually you do it and somebody's telling you that, oh, you're not yet hungry, you're overdoing, you're not yet hungry. Leave them, let them say whatever they like. And those people, if you serve the food for them in a shabby way, just put the rice, just put the salad, put the plantain, and in another plate, it is well molded, it is well served, well plated. Which one would they choose? We didn't go for the ordinary one. Don't let anybody pressure you. Do not, I repeat, do not allow anybody to look you down and tell you that you are overdoing it. You are not overdoing it. Leave them, let them be cringy about it. Let them feel like it's doing too much. Let them feel like you're not ready yet, you're not hungry yet. Leave them. And those are the people that go to restaurants and then they present the food very well for them and they pay a huge amount of money that they would have done it by themselves, but they prefer to go out there to those restaurants, to whatever it is, to have the food in a small portion, inflated amount, and then they come back smiling and saying you are doing too much. I don't mind you. I'm telling you, take this from me, you are not doing too much. So when it comes to food, presentation matters a lot. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I come your way next time, I remain TOLEX. Bye. Peace.